One mistake modern-day Americans make in assessing the Native Americans is treating them as if they are one big homogeneous group. This could not be further from the truth, as contained in the broader Native American society was a diversity of lifestyles. These differences in ways of living were often divided by regional boundaries. One of the main reasons why this was the case was that Native American tribes from different regions often were exposed to different climate-related conditions. The differences in climate-related conditions among Native American tribes caused by regional differences can be most obviously seen through the clothing styles of different Native American tribes by region. Northeastern tribes, Northwestern tribes, and Plains tribes had great differences in clothing styles, caused mainly by the differences in the Northeastern, Northwestern, and Plains climates.
The Northeast Indians were the Indians who settled in the Northeast. They wore clothing mostly made out of wool or leather. Some of the tribes of the Northeast Indians were the Fox tribe, the Huron tribe, the Mohican tribe, the Mohawk tribe, the Ojibwe tribe, and the Shawnee tribe. The Northeast women made clothing from the skins of game that they had already hunted. Some of their clothing was moccasins and feathered headdresses. Deer were very important to the Northeast. Its bones and antlers were carved into jewelry, charms, and needles.
In the Northwest, the climate was cooler there. There was a lot of rain because it wasn't that hot. They could wear heavier clothing than other tribes from other hotter places. Because of the rain, the Northwestern Native Americans often had to use bark. Rain caps Northwestern Indians usually went barefoot. Northwestern Native Americans did not wear moccasins much because they were in and out of weight often.
Hi, I'm Ashley, and I'm going to talk about the Plain Indians. These two documents are examples of what they wore. The one on the left is what they wore in the winter, and the one on the right is what they wore during summer. They dressed the way they did because of the region they lived in, the weather the region had, and the materials that were available to them.
There was clearly great diversity between the clothing styles and choices of tribes from northeastern, northwestern, and plains regions due to different climates.
This diversity is important because it emphasizes just how much Native American tribes were influenced by their surroundings as well as their high abilities of adaptability. It should be noted, however, that clothing was not the only thing that distinguished Native American tribes, as they were diverse in every way, from food to culture, social structures, and political structures.
Indeed, there were huge differences in all facets of society between Native American tribes.